Strategi Automation Solutions has provided a machine tending solution for a thread rolling machine. Fasteners are loaded onto an induction heating machine which heats up the fasteners to almost 800 degrees centigrade. A 6-axis Epson C8 robot picks up the fastener from a singling unit and first checks with an infrared thermometer on whether the required temperature has been reached. If the required temperature has not been reached, the robot drops the fastener into a reject bin. If the fastener has reached the required temperature, the robot loads it onto a thread rolling machine. The fastener is automatically unloaded from the machine after thread rolling. The robot takes approximately 10 seconds to inspect the fastener and load it onto the thread rolling machine. The customer reaps several benefits with this solution. Due to the high temperature, it is difficult for a person to load fasteners onto the thread rolling machine. Secondly, it is a repetitive task wherein manual efficiency tapers off. Hence the customer gains in productivity and cost efficiency. The robot uses extended temperature grippers. Special insulating materials are used to isolate the grippers from the heat of the component. The robot uses all 6 degrees of freedom to load the component onto the thread rolling machine. For more details contact strategiautomation.com.